Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix lag and stuttering on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first of all, it's worthy mentioning that this device only has 6 gigabytes of physical RAM memory, with 26 gigabytes of extended virtual RAM, which I'm not entirely sure that's actually helps your device with performance, since it doesn't really perform as well as the real RAM. And yeah, there are still some ways in which we can improve this device's performance, and one of them might be actually disabling this extension of RAM. Now let's check the settings of our device. And let's check the storage. So make sure that you have at least 10 gigabytes of storage free. So in my case this would be 25.6 gigabyte of free storage. And if you have the 26 gigabytes extension enabled, then you definitely have to disable it, having your storage clogged up. So if your storage is clogged up, then definitely disable these extension. To do that, you have to scroll down to system, no, not system, but to about tablet. Here you're gonna be able to find the RAM, go to settings, RAM extend size, and select none, and then reboot your tablet. And now let's check the rest of the settings. So first of all, if you have the battery saver mode enabled, you should definitely disable it in order to get better performance on your device. We can also enable settings, scroll down all the way to about tablet. In about tablet we'll be able to find the build number at the very bottom, and if you tap it like 7 times, then enter your device's PIN code, you'll become a developer, which means that you'll unlock the developer functions on your device. And now we can go to system settings and open developer options from here, then scroll down to animation scales. Now as you can see, basically what animation scale is the speed of the animation, like in reverse, basically. So the bigger this value is, the slower your animations actually are. And as you can see, some of them are already cut to 0.5x, which means that your device already has increased the speed of animation. We can also cut down the Animator Duration Scale to improve the to increase the speed of the animation even more, or you can also disable these animations, which will make your device twice as fast, but you will also sacrifice some of the animations on your device. So if we set animations to off in 3 of these settings, we'll be able to experience a much faster performance on this device. And the last thing that we can do is also located in the developer settings, and we can limit the background activities on our device. So let's find the background activities option. Let's just use the search instead. Let's search for background. Okay, background process limit, that's what we're looking for. And now let's set it to like at most 3 or 4 processes to limit the background activities that drain our device's battery. This will also slightly decrease your device's performance overall, but keep in mind that your device only has 6 gigabytes of RAM and is not the best at managing it. So basically, by keeping 3 processes active in the background, we can limit ourselves to using 3 apps simultaneously, while the other will rest and not bother us, and will not drain our device's battery, and will let us use our device with better performance. So this is basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.